hurting me. Stop. But don't let her do it.
All right, Sam.
She's hurting me.
Sam.
Put her out in the living room.
All right.
Put her in the living room. Put her in the living room. Mika, it's not funny. She's biting my head. Look, it's not funny. She is out of control.
I love it when you pull her ears.
Don't do that to me. Come on, stop. Ow. She's eating me alive. Stop. Sam, Becca, she's really driving me crazy lately. Stop.
Sam, come here. Come here. Now sit. Hey, don't you...
She is out of control. Stop. What a... Oh. Stop it! She's getting me. Stop. Okay, stop. I'm gonna choke her to death. Okay, that's enough. Put her in her crate.
Sit. Come here. Hey. Sit down.
Stop, Becca. It's not funny.
She got so...
It's not funny. No, she's really
Hey.
out of control now. Put her in her crate.
Sit down.
She has to go in her fucking... Put her in her crate. Now.